How to redeem your Papa John's coupon. Add your desired food items from their menu into your cart. Before checkout, you can enter or paste your promo code into the Enter a Promo Code box in the top banner on the right side. Or you can enter your promo code on the checkout page. The box can be found above the Review Order button. What to do if your Papa John's coupon isn't working? Check that you have correctly input your Papa John's discount code. Ensure your order meets the minimum purchase amount or any other requirements. Make certain the coupon which you selected is valid and has not yet expired. If you are still having any trouble, try a different Papa John's discount code from Coupon Follow instead.
Combining Papa John's coupons.
From our research, we've found that Papa John's only allows use of one coupon for each order, so make sure you find the best one to maximize your savings.
Expert Papa John's Coupon X.
Join the Papa John's Rewards program to earn points that can be cashed out for future orders. Reward members also get a free birthday reward every year. Subscribe to their newsletter where you'll receive exclusive coupons and stay in the loop with the latest news. If you opt in for text alerts, Papa John's will send you exclusive offers with promo codes that can be redeemed either through the app or on the website. The money you spend on these discounted items still counts toward your bonus points. If you find a promo code but are not ready to place an order, you can still enter the promo code on the website and it will be saved on your account. As long as the promo code is valid, it will be available to be used whenever you place your order. Papa John's regularly offers discounts on orders placed through their website. These orders can be reduced by as much as 25%.